Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix TikTok. Direct message option not showing. Well, I'll give you a bunch of different ways to message someone, as well as why it might not always be possible to see the message button at first, and what to do to get it back. I've got TikTok open right now, and this is simply a random video, so if I want to send them a message, I can simply swipe to the left. You'll see that there is really no option here that says send a message. So I'll simply follow them, and then I'll be able to send them a message or anything I want to send them. If I quickly unfollow them, you'll notice that the message option disappears. To send a message to someone, you must first follow them, and based on their settings, they must also follow you back to send someone a message. If you have already done that, and you are still having issues sending direct messages, I recommend reporting the issue to TikTok. To do that, go to your TikTok profile. You have to click on this 3 lines on the right-hand side of the screen, and then go to your settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Scroll down, then click on Direct Message and click on Direct Messaging is no longer available, so this is how we can fix it. Select a No and then click on a Need More Help. And here you have to describe your issue, then click on a report. So this is how we can fix the TikTok direct message option not showing. Please let us know if you have any more questions in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe.